Yes, NIO stock broke our key resistance at 9.52 today, triggering an important bullish reversal pattern, indicating that NIO is supposed to seek higher levels. What's more, NIO's movements have been extremely technical and it has been quite easy to read. The trend finally reversed, so what to expect next? Moreover, what could possibly happen here to make NIO frustrate this bullish scenario? Let's take a look at the most important key points we must watch from here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our technical analysis on NIO stock. First, the most important of all is that NIO triggered a very strong bullish reversal structure. NIO did a higher high, higher low. It did correct to the support level above the previous bottom level, then we broke the previous top at 9.52, indicating that yes, we triggered a bullish pivot point. What's more, this bottom level over here occurred just above the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement area. So we did correct to a crystal clear retracement and then we reacted, and now we are breaking the previous top level. We are trading above the 21 EMA, finally trading above the 21 EMA, which is pointing upwards, by the way. So yes, NIO reversed the trend. NIO is doing a powerful bullish reversal. And to make things even more interesting, maybe you are going to say, and I'm not gonna disagree with you, because we can see that NIO triggered the neckline of an inverse head and shoulders chart pattern. In this scenario, this just reinforces that yes, NIO is right now, mid-term speaking, bullish. What about long-term speaking, Nathan? Long-term speaking, we are bearish. Long-term speaking, we have yet to break its most important resistance level at the 21 EMA. Yes, it is a good sign that we did a false breakout from the 940 over here, which was this gap support level from 2020, which did work the support level multiple times here, and here. We lost this support level, but right now we are recovering, and if we actually close the weekly candle above 940, this is going to be a very, very promising sign that NIO is about to seek higher levels, potentially to retest this purple trend line over here, the upper line of this descending channel. Still, NIO would be bearish, but we can't ignore such an intense upside potential, even considering that the trend is still bearish. So if we actually break this purple line over here, then okay, NIO is going to reverse the trend long-term speaking in the weekly chart, because NIO is bearish since January 2021. We are in a bear trend doing lower highs, lower lows. We are not reacting. NIO still looks quite weak in the weekly chart, but this is a promising sign. Mid-term speaking, NIO triggered this bullish pivot point, even possibly this inverse head and shoulders. Right now, what is the technical target of this head and shoulders, Nathan? The technical target of inverse head and shoulders is the distance between the head and the neckline, which is not only a simple neckline. This 9.52 over here was at the same time a previous support level on December last year. So this key point is quite important. It is quite interesting to see NIO breaking the 9.52 over here. So projecting the distance between the head and the neckline in the direction of the breakout brings us back to 11.40. Usually we see pullbacks after the breakout, so if NIO corrects again to the 9.52, let's not be surprised, because as far as I remember, according to Bukowski's studies, throwbacks after the breakout of a head and shoulders occur roughly 66 or 68% of the time. I don't recall correctly, but either way, a throwback rate is quite high over here. So if we see NIO doing this, right? Doing this, we triggered the head and shoulders, great, and then it drops again to this level. That's totally normal, that's totally acceptable. This happens most of the time before it resumes the bullish sentiment. In my humble opinion, 11.40 is a quite humble target because we have more interesting targets to work with. For instance, the next resistance level on NIO is clearly this purple trend line over here. So in my humble opinion, we could even break the 11.40 and seek this purple trend line above the $12 again in the next few days, in the next few weeks. And remember, if you want to trade with me, check our website, join the top 5% community, options, strategies, model portfolios, premium analysis every single day. I think you guys are going to appreciate our services. The link to my website is in the description of this video. Now, back to NIO. In the monthly chart, this is quite important because yes, we see a very strong crystal clear support level over here, and NIO is doing a very nice, powerful, bullish reversal candlestick pattern. Today is March 29, the month is almost over, and NIO is doing a hammer candlestick pattern. If it closes like this, then a reversal is very, very likely. Again, according to Bukowski's studies, hammers work as reversals roughly 60% of the time. This is near random, but still, considering we are just above a very strong support level, considering that we are closing above the 940 in the weekly chart, and that we just triggered an inverse head and shoulders and a bullish pivot point in the daily chart, I think these odds, 60% chances, are even higher. So, of course, let's see how NIO is going to behave from here. I will keep you guys updated every single week on NIO stock. So remember to subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my future analysis. You'll probably like the content. So come on, subscribe to this channel if you are not my subscriber yet. Click on the like button to support me. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Bye-bye.